today's video, I'm gonna be cooking for the first time. And I actually have a little help with me because I don't know how to cook. Come on, let's bring it in for Annika, my cousin,
Who also doesn't know how to cook.
even though she's a girl. Okay, we're gonna make spaghetti in today's video.
He needs some milk.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
We're gonna make spaghetti in today's video because that's like the most like simple thing ever.
Yeah.
Might as well. And we got the tomato sauce. We got the cheese, all kinds of cheese because I don't know what cheese to use. Yeah, we got the meat,
Yeah.
the protein,
Yep.
and we got the water boiling in the background already because we didn't want to wait 15 minutes
Yeah.
with the video on. Okay. So the first step, we need to put the
So it says
spaghetti
the
in
instructions on the bag. It says.
Stovetop instructions: bring 4 quarts of water to a rolling boil for each pound of pasta.
So what we're gonna
Salt
do is
to
we're
taste.
gonna.
Oh, we can put some salt in the thing too.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open it and we're gonna break it to make it go.
No,
further.
don't break
Yes.
it. Don't break it.
Why?
Don't break it.
Why?
That's the number 1 rule. Never break your pasta.
My mom always breaks my pasta.
Yeah.
What do you guys think
But
we
if
should,
it's a
we
video-
should do? You think we should break it? Okay, fine. We're not gonna break it, but so now let's put it in the water.
Okay, I'll get the other ones too. Hold on, we need some salt for this too.
Okay, so he's gonna put some salt in the water
No, I'll put it
first.
after. Wait, is this supposed to go in before or after? I don't know.
Hmm.
Wait, let's get some light.
Oh, nice. Okay. I guess we can just put it in first, yeah? What do you
Yeah, go ahead. I'll get the other one.
Jordan, this is why we're supposed to break it. Like, barely.
No, it's fine. It's supposed to be like this, and then it goes down. No, you're supposed to let it.
I am. Ah. Okay.
And then it boils. See how it's softening, and then you push it more. Or
Okay.
whatever.
Do you want to do all of them?
How about we like
Let's just do
wait
2.
a little bit?
Let's just do 2.
Yeah, I'll put in this one right now.
Okay. So we have tomato sauce and whole tomatoes. I think we're gonna just try to use what tomato sauce?
Low-key, I want to use the whole tomatoes
Why?
to make like a nice like
Gourmet.
gourmet.
Yes. Do you have a can opener? Where's your
It's
can
supposed to
opener?
be- It's in there. Top one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't even really know how to use this thing. It's fine. He'll figure it out. Here. I don't know how to use it.
Okay, so good.
Oh, so we're gonna make our sauce in this really big pan. Yeah. Always make sure when you're cooking you throw your trash away as you go. So you don't
Yeah.
have a mess.
From the person who knows how to cook.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Watch.
Okay guys, look, he opened it.
Yeah.
Yes! Okay.
Look at those whole tomatoes.
Do
Oh,
you have tongs?
yeah. Thunder. Wait, I think we put too much water in this. Oh, I think we put too much water in this. Is
Uh-oh.
this supposed to be like that?
It's fine. Oh!
Oh.
Oh no, it's
Oh.
gonna overflow.
Oh, no. Wait, I'm gonna check if we have a bigger pot. I mean, we could use this. No, that'd be way too big.
No, I think it should be
Are
fine.
you sure? We could pour some water too. I don't know what I'm doing.
I have no idea either.
Yeah, that's still kind of hard.
Well, yeah, well, look.
Okay, that's
Look
kind
at
of
that, guys, look, I pushed it in.
Wait.
Maybe we should
Okay.
pour out a little bit of water. Don't burn yourself, please. So we actually added too much water, so we're gonna pour some of it out. Just a little bit.
Is that good? More?
A little bit more. That's good.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it again. Ooh, nice. You saved it. It's delish. Okay, how do you want to go about making our sauce?
Okay.
we
we get the whole tomatoes and
You
just put them
opened
in.
this. We have to mash them.
No, just stir and it'll do it by itself.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, wait. Is the thing? Oh, we need to put this on.
So we have a small lid.
I'll put on high for now because I don't know what I'm supposed to put on. I'll put this a little bit lower because
A whisk that's kind of deformed. So, which one do you want to use?
Fine, I think we have more whisks. Actually, never mind. I don't know.
Looks like these are our best options.
No, wait. No, we can use it. This thing
Okay.
for the sauce and we like stir like that. Right?
Okay. Now watch the noodles.
Okay. Time to make the sauce. We're gonna use whole tomatoes for this because it looks good.
This is. Maybe we should lower the heat.
Oh, we gotta go to high.
Oh,
Ah!
Jordan. Oh my word.
We gotta stir it.
You know?
Oh, what? It's supposed to be on low heat, I think.
Here, let's check what she has for that. So I have.
Hold on, I gotta show the camera.
Oh yeah,
Look at this.
smells pretty good actually. Or it's starting to come along.
good.
Nothing special. It's just.
Let's make it fast forward. Bro, that is turning out good. Hold on. I'm gonna show the video.
Can you take out of my picture?
That's good. falling. Oh, it's heavy now. Look at this.
Taste it.
Taste test. Wait, I'm gonna do it in front of you. Oh, that's good.
Is it? Let me try it.
I ate it all.
Fine. Is it actually that? Is it
It's
actually
good.
good?
It's good. That's
Okay.
great.
Now, while he's finishing that up, I'm going to cut up our meat. Is it
You
okay?
think this is good? Looks pretty good, right?
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Is this good enough though?
I
Or
think
more.
so.
Good?
I think that's pretty good. You can turn it off now.
Okay, put it on the counter now.
Yes, let's start putting everything in.
Let's put everything like this. Ah, oh, this thing's so hot.
That one? Go, be careful. Don't burn yourself. So now we can see our food.
got the lemonade mix.
Is it good? It is?